Hello and welcome to this video on hiccups. In this video, we will discuss the causes, signs, and symptoms, and treatment of hiccups. Hiccups are a common phenomenon that most people experience at some point in their lives. They are usually harmless and go away on their own, but in some cases, they can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Causes of hiccups. Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, a muscle that separates the chest and abdominal cavities, contracts involuntarily. This contraction causes the vocal cords to close, producing the characteristic hic sound. Some common causes of hiccups include eating too quickly or too much, drinking carbonated beverages, drinking alcohol, emotional stress or excitement, swallowing air while chewing gum or smoking, acid reflux, certain medications. Signs and symptoms. The most obvious symptom of hiccups is the hic sound that is produced when the diaphragm contracts. Other symptoms may include a feeling of tightness in the chest, a sudden onset of hiccups that lasts for several minutes or hours, difficulty eating or drinking, interrupted sleep. Diagnosis. In most cases, hiccups do not require medical attention and go away on their own. However, if hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, it may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. In such cases, a doctor may perform a physical exam and order tests to determine the cause of the hiccups. Treatment. Most cases of hiccups go away on their own and do not require treatment. However, there are several home remedies that may help alleviate hiccups, including holding your breath for a few seconds, drinking a glass of water quickly, breathing into a paper bag, gargling with ice water, pulling your knees up to your chest and leaning forward. In rare cases, hiccups may require medical treatment. This may include medications to relax the diaphragm or treat an underlying medical condition. If hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, it is important to seek medical attention. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.